All right, so hi guys. Today we will be going over the quadrants. So you first start up with the top right, which is the first quadrant. Then directly to the left of it is the second quadrant. I apologize for my messy handwriting. Directly below that is the third quadrant. And right next to it is the fourth quadrant. And when you have dots in each of these, we'll just go over them. Let's put a dot here, and a dot here. The way you would write this would be in the first quadrant, everything is positive. So this would be 1, 2, because you do the x-axis first and the y-axis. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Then the second quadrant, the x-axis is negative, but the y-axis is still positive. So you would write this as negative 2, 2. So negative 2, 2. The third quadrant, everything is negative because you were in the negative x direction and also in the negative y direction. So you would write this as negative 1, negative 1. And then for the fourth quadrant, the x-axis is positive. However, the y-axis is negative. So you would write this as positive 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1. So 4, negative 1. Okay. So just remember, top right is first, and then second, third, and fourth. Okay. So let's go do these exercises. Well, let me just clear this. Clear all drawings. Okay. All right, so which shape is in quadrant 2? So as we said before, this was quadrant 1, this was quadrant 2, this was quadrant 3, and this was quadrant 4. So as you can see, the shape in quadrant 2 is the triangle. Okay. Okay, one more time. Which shape is in quadrant 2? So this is the first quadrant, second, third, and fourth. The one in the second quadrant would be this yellow square. Okay, in quadrant 3, this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth. So which shape is in the third quadrant? This pink triangle. Okay, which shape is in quadrant 3? One more time, it would be this green circle. All right. So which shape is in quadrant 4? This is the first, second, third, fourth. It would be this pink star. One last one. Which quadrant is the pentagon in? So this pink pentagon is in the top right corner. If you remember, we said the first quadrant was top right. So this would mean that the pink pentagon is in the first quadrant. And then this will be our final one. So which quadrant is the pentagon in? So would it be in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third, or fourth? So as you can remember, this was the first quadrant, second quadrant, third, and fourth. And this blue pentagon is in the fourth quadrant. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching this video about quadrants.